Hello, Josh Stevens here, VP of Technology and Head Geek at Solarwinds. One of the most important things today when it comes to managing your network is not only to monitor your routers, switches, firewalls, and other network infrastructure, but also to monitor your servers, the applications on those servers, and then roll that up to actually be monitoring the services that your users expect. Now, as you're probably aware, Orion NPM, or the Orion Network Performance Monitor, is a powerful, affordable, and easy-to-use network management application. And out of the box, it does things like providing daily dashboards through the top 10 list, network maps to show you where you have issues on the network, alerting, and reporting. But one of the things you may not be aware of is you can expand it through the use of the Orion Application Performance Monitor, or APM. Now, Orion APM is a great application for monitoring servers, applications, and then rolling those up to monitor services across those devices. And so whether you want to monitor an Exchange server and the Exchange processes on there, a SQL server, or even some sort of web-based application, Orion APM does it very easily. When you see an issue like this SQL server issue, simply drill down upon it, and then you'll be able to drill down and see not only the status of the server itself and the network components that server relies upon. You can also see things like processes and services, their performance as well as their status, and much, much more. Now, Orion APM also allows you to do something called a user experience monitor. And a user experience monitor is simply a transaction that synthesizes what a user would do. So, for instance, you might have a user experience monitor where the application will log into a website, pull it up, click on something on the page, and then time how long that takes to make sure it's successful. And so in that way, it's synthesizing a transaction that a user would do to show you what the user's experience would be. You can alert on those things, of course, and do reporting, and also see in a chart how the performance changes over time. Now, Orion APM is very, very easy to use, and like the rest of Orion, can be installed, configured, up and running in less than an hour. One of the other things that's pretty cool about Orion APM is it comes with several hundred default component monitors, really, which means these are the things you use to monitor devices and applications out on the network. So you can use the ones that are included within Orion APM. You can also go in and build your own from scratch, which is something I do quite a bit as an advanced user. Now, in addition to the things I've just described, there's one last thing you can do when it comes to how you can monitor and actually use these device templates. And so what you can do is not only use the ones that ship with it and build your own, you can actually go right within the product and view the ones that have been created out at thwack.com, which is our community site, and then grab the ones you want and simply import those into your local Orion server. Again, this is Josh Stevens here, VP of Technology and Head Geek at Solarwinds. Today we've been talking about the need for monitoring of your applications and services and those servers that they ride on as a part of your integrated network management strategy. Orion NPM and Orion APM together do a great job of providing that for you in a single pane of glass. Thanks a lot and have a great day.